Okay, this is my second circuit that I've made. This circuit involves a RGB LED. RGB stands for red, green, blue light emitting diode. Now the way I've got this wired is this would be a red button, this would be a green button, this would be my blue button. Now what's cool about the RGB is you can mix those colors together. Now if I were to wire it in a certain way, what it will do is mix the colors together in such a way that it can make up to 16,777,216 different colors. I'm going to be making, say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I think 7 colors. Let's try it. We'll go with 1 be red, 2 is green, 3 is blue. I'm going to mix 2 together, the red and the green, to get yellow. Then the red and the blue to get kind of a violet color. Then we'll go with the blue, the green and the blue to make cyan. Then you take all 3 of them, put them all 3 together, and it makes white. I find that pretty cool. All right, thank you.